Good morning, student. Myself Sujita Mahesh. Today I am representing the chapter Golden India Beginning to 1206 AD, and it's a part of 6. Students, let me talk about the Sunga dynasty. This dynasty was found in the 185 BC by the Pushpamitra Sunga. He was the chief commander of Maurya king called Brihadrata. Pushpamitra assassinated him and occupied the throne. He ruled till 151 BC. He conquered several walls and performed Yashomegha Yajna twice during this region. Student, let me tell you that renowned Sanskrit Brahmins, that means a Patanjali, was priest in this yajnas. After Pushpamitra, Agnimitra, Jayashtamitra, Bhadrak, Bhagwat, Devabhuti were the major ruler of the Sunga dynasty. Devabhuti was dethroned by the Aditya Vasudeva around 73 BC. Now let me show you. This one is the Satvandana Destiny's coin. And now we are talking about the Satvandana's destiny. A person named laid the foundation of Satvana destiny in 60 BC in Andhra. It is also known as the Satvana destiny. Students, let me tell you, this area you can find the valley of river Godavari and Krishna. Simuka's region regarded till 337 BC. After that, his son Satakarni I became the ruler. After some time of the death of Satkarni I, due to the invention made by the Shakas, the power of Satvandanas started declining, and ruler of the Shaka Shastrapa destiny became in Maharashtra, which was known as the Shastrapa destiny. Student, let me tell you that this destiny was across entire South India. His capital was a Pratishsthan, situated bank of river Godavari only. Now after that, Gautamiputra Satarkarni, who was the 23rd ruler, and he eliminated the power. His prosperity ruled to this destiny. Vaishnavati Putra Pulumi was married to the daughter of Shakas, Rudraman I, but Rudraman snatched entire kingdom through him, which was occupied defending the western Kshatrapas. Student, Yashasri, who was the 27th ruler of Satvana destiny, reoccupied some part of the ruler Satvana destiny, some part of region of Ujjain, and re-established the glorious of his destiny. All over destiny was a follower of the Buddhism. Let me tell you that Yashasri circulates several type of currency, ships, and inscription on some of this. This shows his empire extend till ocean. Student, let me tell you, they established the system of Vedic Yajna and Varnashara system in the society, and continued found against the foreign inventors like Yavanas and the Shakas. They were first to establish the practice of granting land to the Brahmins in their trading system. Let me tell you that they trade and commerce, agriculture was developed. The currency made was in the silver, copper, bronze, lead. Students, let me tell you one more thing, that Satvandana kings built many Chaitanyas, Viharas and the Western Deccan. Karla's Chaitanya in the most famous among them. This Chaitanya is 40 meter long and 15 meter high. It was one of the good architecture, I would say. Now next we talk about the Gupta destiny. It is around 275 AD to 550 AD. Student, let me tell you that Kushna destiny among decline in the North India is about 230 AD, and large part of land become under the occupation of Saka Mudras. After Gupta destiny came into the power of 275 AD, Sri Gupta, who was the founder of this Gupta dynasty, and he was after that it was says that his son uh, Ghatotkacha was become the ruler, and his title was a Maharaja. After Ghatotkacha, let me talk about the Chandragupta one. He's around era of 322 AD to 335 AD, and his title was a Maharaja Dhiraja. He married to a Leech Lavi princess Kumara Devi, and he was started the era with the famous name Samvata. Samvat. Now next is after Chandragupta one, the his son Samudragupta was there. Its era around 335 AD to 330 AD. Chandragupta I appointed Samudragupta, his either conquering and unifying India in a believed in a imperialism. He in the court of poet Hari Sen described about his Victoria military expeditions in the record of Allahabad Prasisti. According to Allahabad Prasisti, it says that he never defend any battle. Student, let me tell this one also, the ruler and the country which were won by Samudra Gupta were divided into 5 groups. That was a state of Ganga Yamuna Doab, state of Eastern Himalayas, boundary of Eastern Vidya region, Eastern Decades, and the South India, Shakas and Kaushalya's system. He was a great fine arts person. He was an excellent poet and musician, and also his imagine of playing veena was inscribed in his coin. He was a good, well-known devotee of Vishnu, but he also respect equal to every religions. After Samudragupta, the second was Chandragupta II. Chandragupta was the son of Samudragupta, and he is also known as a Deva Raja and Deva Gupta. He expanded his empire by the through the marriage alliances and victorious. He got married to a Vakataka's king Rudrasena. After his death, Prabhavati became the real ruler by making younger son sit in the throne. Chandragupta was conquered western Malwa and Gujarat. He made Ujjain as a capital, and he was also known as a Vikram Aditya. After Chandragupta II, Kumaragupta Mahendra Aditya, who was the founder of the Nalanda University. It was says that this he was expanded his empire from Saurashtra to Bengal. In the last day of his rule, he had faced revolt for Pushpamitra. After Kumaragupta, it goes to the Sakadagupta, and he was not a eldest son. He was not a eldest son, but he is successor in this kingdom. It was its evidence was shown in the Junagadh rock also, that which that revolt he has renovated. He renovated the Sudarshan lakes, which was built by the Maurya ruler. He had been mentioned in the Junagadh description that while assisting the throne, Sakadagupta had conquered the Malchus Hunas. Finally, Sakadagupta defended him. After that, let me talk you about the cultural achievement of this Gupta's periods. This great, it says that this period was known as the culture of history. This is they were follower of the Vedic region. They were also made performed the Yashwamedha with the help of Samudragupta and Kumaragupta. They supported the Buddhism and Jainism. As per the inscription, their excellent administration and their crimes rarely took place. The burden of taxes was also less. Sanskrit was the official language. Kalidas, composer of the play Abhigyan, Shakuntala, and the great epics Raghuvansham, Ramayana, Mahabharat, and the Manusmriti, composed at the present of the Gupta Empire. To student, let me tell you the Aryabhat, the famous mathematician was present in this era. Mahaviras and the Brahmagupta significantly contribute in the development of the mathematics and astronomy during this period. After this, I want to say one more thing, that this decimal system was invented in this period, which laterly reached Europe through the Arabian. Evidence of the architecture, painting, and the metallurgy science of architecture, playing, and in this time evident from the remain in the Jhansi, Kanpur, Ajanta caves, in the iron pillar at the Delhi. The 18 feet tall copper statue of Buddha in Nalanda, and from the 7.5 feet tall copper statue of the Buddha in the Satganj. Later we will talk about the society of the Gupta period. Student, have a nice day. See you later. Bye.